The title of this tutorial is how to create and customize dashboards in Google Analytics. You can click on customization and you will be shown this option called dashboards. You can create the dashboard from here. After clicking on this, you will get to this page that has this create button. So you click on this create button. Now it will show you two options, blank canvas and start a dashboard. If you click blank canvas, it will show you the empty page and you can add multiple reports to that canvas, or you can click on start a dashboard and it will already add what is important for you, that matters for you. If you like, you can press this or you can press this. We're gonna go and start with starter dashboard. So you click on starter dashboard, it will be selected. We're gonna rename it starter dashboard example and you click create dashboard. You can also import from gallery multiple dashboards. If you click on import from gallery, you will get all the reports that are already made and there are a lot of examples. We're going to press escape and just go along with our example. You click on create dashboard. After that, you get to this page. It already added new users, total users, number of sessions came from what number of countries, sessions by browser. Then you have bounce rate. We don't have much to report because we didn't receive a lot of traffic in this time. So we're gonna go and add and select it from 1st August. So we have enough traffic to report. Alright, so we're gonna just stick to like this. Alright, now you have the data, you have bounce rate. Bounce rate was high on this day, otherwise it's doing pretty well. Average session duration, pages session, goal completion. So if you select start a dashboard option, you will get this report. So let's create another dashboard from blank canvas. You click on create button, you click blank canvas, you're gonna name it blank canvas or you can rename it like website performance report. We are just gonna call it blank canvas because we are creating this report from blank canvas. So you click on create dashboard. So when you start from blank canvas, you get this page. Like, do you want it in the metric style? Do you want it in the timeline, or is it a geographical map, or is it the graph table, or is it the pie chart, or is it the graph in the bar form, or is it the, or if it is in real time, then you don't get these two options. We're gonna stick to the standard and select metric. Now inside a metric, we need to know total goal completions. So we select goal completions. Selected. Now if you want to filter this data, you can filter this data. We are gonna create, and we just want to know traffic from Google. So we select this source medium and you can add regular expressions or you can just put it in like this. Suppose we just want to see goal completions that were done by or received through Google. It could be paid advertisements or search query if people are finding your website from there. And yeah, so you can select if you want to exclude or include. We're going to select include, so we select only show, and you can also link it with the report or URL. You can click this button in the widget header to visit this link. It means it might show you the link later. So you click save. Okay, when you go to share, you have this template link that you can share with your colleagues or people who should be getting this report. So when they click on this link, they will be redirected to this page immediately, like this blank canvas report or website performance report that you have created. Now, we already have goal completions received through Google. We can create a new widget, and again you will get the same page, and now we're gonna get this in the bar form, so you will get multiple options now. As you can see with this, because it's just a simple static kind of a matrix, so you just got one option. Now you select this bar graph option, you get multiple metric and dimension. We're going to select metric. Inside metric, again we select total goal completions. Alright, it doesn't show you that. It does show you that option. You just have to write completion. Here it is, goal completion. In the dimension, we will select source medium. We select source medium. Now, how many source medium you want to see? We will stick to the default option, 5 bars, or if you want to select multiple, you can select multiple. You can select a horizontal version of this chart, or you can select series elements such as pivoting, segmentation, or data comparison. We're going to stick to the default settings. If you select auto, it means the number, all the number, it is going to show. Now you click on save. Now you see it has total 159 completions. The reason is that few could be from organic or paid, few could be from Google paid ads, or people search directly through search. That's why there is a difference. As you can see, so some visitors were direct and some were not. Now we can add new widget, and we're gonna add timeline, and we want to see what was the traffic by hour. So we're gonna go and select timeline. We're gonna select total sessions, number of sessions per user, and inside the filter we can select only show hour containing like 10 p.m. So we're gonna go and select 22. Now let's see what it does. You can use this option if you want to link it with the report like Google Drive. So we are going to click save. As you can see, it shows you the total number of sessions per user on every day on specific hour. Except in later days we didn't have much traffic. Now we're going to create a new report from the timeline. This is also not a real-time report. We're going to add a metric. We're going to select WhatsApp submissions. Alright. Event submission, WhatsApp, goal for completions. And we want to compare it with form submissions, so we will put form submissions or lead form submissions, lead form submission, goal 5 completions. So it will compare it with that. We don't need to add filter like source medium because we just need to know what are the total goal conversion and what is the difference between the two. And now we're gonna click save. You can put it here like this. So that is the difference. Total number of goal completions for WhatsApp on 17th September it was 10. Then 20th September when we look at it, it is that we have more lead form submissions than we have WhatsApp event submission. We're gonna place it here like this. Alright, this looks much better. So that's how you create and customize your dashboard. And other reports, we will be covering more tutorials about how you can create more meaningful reports that really help your campaigns.